y'all already know, man. Welcome to the channel where we talk about real estate, mind state, fitness, and getting to the bag. Yes, sir. Today I'm gonna put you on to 100K play. Yeah, 100K play. So grab your notebooks, grab your pen, and listen, cause you might learn something. Yes, sir.
Stay loyal, hustle hard, build success, loyal grind.
Okay, first thing first, let's praise God and always distraction free. Stop telling people your dreams, stop telling people your ambitions, your goals, because your friends never want to see you do better than them. They might deviate you and want to see you crash. I'm telling you, they're gonna see you crash, bro. They're gonna see you crash because they're gonna deviate you. Significant other, your loved ones, your family might just instill that fear that they have in you, you know? And you might swallow that pill and not be able to be in a position to achieve your goals, bro. It's simple, man. Stop listening to the naysayers, bro. I can't get enough of that in my mind, bro. I don't listen to nobody. Stubborn mind state, bro. Cause that's how you get to the next level of things, you know? If you have a mentor, that person, you know, desire you well, then okay, you listen, right? So let's say you want to get into real estate investment. Dead broke. We started from zero, from scratch. Okay? We're gonna fill up our cup with information in order to go get that back. You want to start into real estate development, renovations, fix and flips, right? You could put yourself in a position to go to the bank professionally and get that money. You feel me? Because in America, you got something that's called the credit system, which gives you credit. You have your credit looking right. You have some primaries, some AUs, you know, some trade lines, you know. You want to have that file looking right. Some paid off accounts. They look at you like, okay, this person is responsible. This person is responsible. You can trust this person with this bag. So you want to put yourself in that position. Okay? You want to set up yourself in a way like trustworthy without having so much time in business. Because they look at that. You're opening up a new business. You know how it is out here, man. You know everything is built on trust, so you want to go to these banks and build these relationships with. So I'm going to tell you from point A to point Z and make sure you accomplish each and every one, because we're gonna get to it. We're going to build a community of hustlers, visionaries, and people that go get that. You feel me? So first thing first, let's say you want to separate your personal and your business. You want to separate that. That's what business funding do. Separates your business and your personal. You always want to operate your personal and your business separate. Never intermingle that. Okay? There's gonna be headache when it comes to taxes, you know, and you don't want that. I'm not gonna steer you to headache. I'm gonna steer you to win. While I build myself and I learn game and I'm gonna steer my community to win. To win. We're gonna win. We're gonna all be winners, man. Positive vibes only. Listen, you might learn something. 2, feel me? Personal and business is totally different, because on business side, they give you a bigger bag. Why they give you a bigger bag? It's simple. Because you have operating costs, you know, you have marketing, you have all these expenses that these institutions take into account what it takes to operate a business. On personal side, not so much. Okay? So on your business side is where you want to reflect all that. Okay? So make sure you operate that always individually, never together. Okay? Your entity is one thing and the business is another. 3, you could use that business funding, liquidate it, and grow faster. Use the business funding, you liquidate that, and you could grow faster. Why? Because you have more money. You have higher funding. You have higher limits in a personal business card. you have more money in your pockets, man. You feel me? So that's why you can leverage that and go break down and play better. You could liquidate that, put it on a real estate investment property in a deal. You feel me? On a new construction, develop it. Put your vision to play, man. And how you do that? Step by step. Business formation. Number 1, you want to incorporate your LLC, limited liability company. You can do the corporation route, but it's more complex. We're keeping it simple. Corporations, you gotta have corporate book, you gotta have bylaws, you gotta have minutes, board of directors, you gotta have meetings, in order to stay in compliance. So you wanna keep it simple. You wanna have that corporate view of protection, because people out here be looking for lawsuits all day. People out here, all they do is looking for slip and falls and lawsuits. So you wanna always protect yourself. You feel me? Protect yourself as much as possible. Number 2, you'll get your EIN, okay? Employer Identification Number. Don't let nobody finesse you. Don't let nobody charge you for this. This is totally free. Free, $0. You go to the irs.gov and get your EIN. It's free. Don't let nobody charge you for this. Okay? I'm putting you on to game. We're gonna keep this thing simple. Listen, you might learn something. 3, what we're gonna do is set up our business account. We're gonna go to a bank, whichever bank is closer to you, credit unions. You could open up your business account. $100. You open up your business account. You open up a checking, you open up a savings, you set up that relationship. These banks is about relationships, okay? Internal trust. So you gotta set up that relationship. It's very important, all right? So now when you basically have that, now you're feeling like, okay, cool, I got this down pat. Now you onto something, okay? Number 4, email, professional email, and a professional phone number. You go to GoDaddy, spend a couple bucks, get your professional email. Not a Gmail, not a Hotmail, not a AOL. Professional email, okay? A professional phone number. Not a trap phone. Please stay away from the Walmart $20, $30 phones. 1800 number. You need a 1800 number. Okay? You're gonna need that. You're gonna need an 1800 number and your professional email. You're gonna need that. Okay? So then after that, once you have that, you basically go to Fiverr. You go to Fiverr and you find a freelancer. You have your website built. Once you have your website built, you look more professional. Remember, we're suiting ourselves up to go to these banks and look professional. Okay? You want to do it a faster way, I'm going to put you on the game. You go to durable.com. Durable.com. And in 5 minutes, you could have yourself a website. You pay like $20 a month, and you could have a professional website. AI will generate a whole website for you. In your industry, whatever industry you're in, they will generate it for you. So go to durable.com and get that down pat. I'm telling you. After that, you go and apply for vendor accounts. You want to have vendor accounts. A lot of people say stay away from vendor accounts. You go apply for vendor accounts. You have Granger, you have Uline, you have Quill. Set up those net 30s, those net 15s, man. Set it up. You want to have that. After that, you go and apply for a NAV account. NAV, N-A-V, NAV account. It's a platform that you can see your personal finances. You can see your business financing. And it gives you cards. It's a whole platform that you have to have. Very important. I'm telling you. You can see the whole health of your finances in spectacular way, man. Spectacular way. Okay, so now you have that. Now you have your DUNS number. What is your DUNS number? It's basically a way to categorize your business and have a sicko and puts you in a position to not be a high risk industry. Remember, you don't want to have a high risk name. You don't want to have nothing with credit repair, trucking, and so forth, so forth. You want to have it simple. Consultant, management, enterprise. You want to have that in your business name. Keep it simple, okay? Because the banks shy away from giving you high credit limits because of a high risk industry. So you always want to make sure that you don't have a high risk name. So after you have that basically in play, now you have your incorporations. Now you have your professional email, your professional phone number, your website, your DUNS number, your NAV account, the vendor accounts. Then you go and get the bag in the bank. Ask them for business credit cards. 0%, 12 months, 15 months. They'll open you that lane. They will open you that lane. You have your credit, your credit in the personal side looking right. You want to build it up. Remember, you want to build it up, and then you PG, personally guarantee your business, because it's your business. Even though it's separate, it's your business. So they're gonna tap into your personal and see what is the health of that. So once you get that in play, you go and get 25,000 from one bank. Go to another bank, get another 25. Go to another bank, get another 25. Go to another bank and get another 25. You up 100K. It's simple. We don't have to complicate things. We don't have to overcomplicate things, man. We don't. So once you have the vendor accounts and you have the business credit cards and you use it wisely, then afterwards you put yourself in a position to go get a line of credit in the same bank that you set up that relationship of $100. You open up a business bank account with $100. You wait 24 hours, remove that $100. You go to another bank and take that same $100 that you open up the first bank account with on the second bank and do the same thing 4 times. It's simple. Listen, you might learn something. Okay? All these traditional banks, they are in a position to lend money. That's how they make money. You deposit $1, they'll make 10 out of it. Okay? So you have to put yourself in that mind state, like, you know what? I have to learn the system. Okay? You have to learn the system. There's a lot of online vendors, online lenders out here, man. There's a lot of them. Blue Vine is one. Funbox is one. What else? On Deck is one. Okay? So you could go get them online vendors and they will definitely give you a bag. Capital One is another one that you could go get business credit from. American Express is another one. 0%. 12 months. In 12 months you could run a play. You could run a play in 12 months. You could get into a real estate deal. You could buy a distressed property and you could fix and flip it, man. I'm telling you, bro, it's easy, man. It's easy. It's easy. You know what I'm trying to say? Now you could go into SBA loans, which SBA, you know, you need a good business plan and plus the credit history. Remember, we fixed our credit. We have it looking good. We have the primaries. We have the trade lines. So we don't have a thin file. So once they pull that, the SBA lenders will give you money, man. Small Business Association will give you money, man. They will give you money. The administration will give you money. You have a good professional business plan, you know, and you go get that bag. It's plain and simple, man. Use just the financing wisely. You know, I blew bags before. I racked up and I blew a bag too. I'm not a saint. You know, I learned, but I learned from my mistakes. You got to put yourself in your position that you're going to learn from those mistakes. You know, Let's use it wisely. Our community is about winners, man. It's not just the wins. We gonna glorify the losses too, because the losses is lessons. You know, you could shortcut a lot of things with mentors and everything else, but you have to know if you fall, if it hurts. So don't put yourself in a predicament like you too wise and not to learn from your lessons. Man, I have a friend that he wasn't doing too well in his business and stuff, and I told him step by step by step. And he took actions, man. This is how you structure your business. This is how you pull up to the bank. And he did it. In less than 2 months, he secured almost 200 bands, 200K, man. I think it was like 185 or something like that in business funding alone, bro. So if you put action, you pray to God, surround yourself with positive energy. Positive energy is most important, man. You surround yourself with that, you believe in yourself, man, nobody can tell you different. You feel me? Nobody can tell you different. Nobody can tell you different. Structure the business correctly. Get everything down pat. Present yourself, everything in hand, like here you go. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm talking about with confidence. They gonna give you the bag. So, you already know. It's your boy. Thank you. Subscribe, like it, share it. And we gonna go to the top, man. 2025, we're going to the top. Plays only, man. You already know, man. And listen, cause you might learn something. I'm out.